Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all? Money, love, opportunities, happiness, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? It often feels like life is unfair. But what if I told you that there's a hidden force shaping all of it? That force is called manifestation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Manifestation? Isn't that just wishful thinking or some kind of spiritual fluff? Well, stay with me, because today I'm going to break it down, what manifestation really is, how it works both scientifically and spiritually, how you can use it in your life, and even how to rewire your brain to make it second nature. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start manifesting the life you've always dreamed of, whether that's financial success, a loving relationship, better health, or simply more peace and joy. So grab a notebook, because this might just change your life. What is manifestation? Let's start with the basics. What is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions into physical reality. It's the idea that what you constantly focus on, believe in, and take action toward eventually shows up in your life. This isn't new. Ancient Egyptian philosophers, Hindu teachings, even the Stoics all said the same thing in different ways. As you think, so shall you become. In simple terms, manifestation is the alignment of your mindset, your energy, and your actions with the life you want to create. Here's the catch, though. Manifestation doesn't just happen with positive thoughts. It works both ways. If you constantly think negatively, if you expect failure, if you believe you're unworthy, guess what? That's what you'll manifest. So manifestation is not some magic trick. It's a tool, a law of life. Like gravity, it works whether you believe in it or not. How manifestation works, science plus spirituality. Now let's get into the juicy part. How does it work? The first piece of the puzzle is something in your brain called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. Imagine it as a filter. Your brain receives billions of pieces of information every second. The RAS filters what matters to you, what matches your beliefs. For example, if you buy a new car, suddenly you see that same car everywhere. Did more of them magically appear? No. Your brain just started noticing them. Now, apply that to life. If you believe opportunities are rare, you'll miss them even when they're right in front of you. If you believe opportunities are everywhere, your brain will literally highlight them for you. That's manifestation in action. The second piece is the law of attraction. This is the principle that like attracts like. The energy you give out through your thoughts and emotions attracts experiences of a similar frequency. The third piece is visualization and mirror neurons. Science has proven that your brain can't tell much difference between an imagined experience and a real one. That's why athletes visualize their wins before competitions. It actually boosts performance. When you visualize your dream life, your brain begins wiring itself as if it's already happening. And finally, emotions are vibrations. High emotions like gratitude, joy, hope, they vibrate at a higher frequency than fear, doubt, or anger. The higher your vibration, the better the experiences you attract. How to manifest in your life. So how do you actually do it? Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Clarity of intention. You must be specific. Don't just say, I want money. Say, I want to earn $5,000 per month doing meaningful work that I enjoy. The clearer the vision, the more powerful the manifestation. Step 2. Visualization and affirmation. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dream life as if it already happened. Picture the details, how it feels, what you see, who's around you. Combine this with affirmations, positive statements you repeat daily. For example, I am worthy of abundance. Opportunities flow to me easily. Step 3. Take inspired action. This is where many people mess up. Manifestation is not sitting on the couch waiting for miracles. If you want a better job, send out resumes, learn new skills, network. If you want a healthier body, start walking, drink more water, eat better. Manifestation works through you, not for you. Step 4. Gratitude. Gratitude changes everything. When you're grateful, you're telling the universe, I already have enough and I'm ready for more. It rewires your brain to look for good things instead of problems. Step 5. Release and trust. This one is hard. You must let go and trust the process. It's like planting seeds. You don't dig them up every day to check if they're growing. You water them, give them light, and trust nature. Same with manifestation. Focus, act, and then trust timing. Rewiring your brain for manifestation. Manifestation is really about reprogramming your brain. Break old beliefs. Ask yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? Things like, I'm not good enough, or money is hard to get. Once you identify them, you can replace them with new ones. I am capable. Wealth flows to me in many ways. Neuroplasticity. This is the science that proves your brain changes with repetition. If you repeat new beliefs every day, your brain builds new neural pathways. That's why affirmations and journaling work. Visualization practices. Do it morning and night. In the morning, visualize your best life for 5 minutes. At night, replay your day with gratitude, and then imagine your dream future as if it already exists. Surround yourself with alignment. Your environment matters. If you hang around negative people, consume toxic media, or live in chaos, it's hard to manifest. But when you surround yourself with positivity, supportive people, and growth-oriented content, manifestation becomes natural. Why manifestation is important? Why does this even matter? Because you have 2 choices in life: live by default or live by design. If you don't consciously manifest, you unconsciously manifest. That means your fears, doubts, and old programming are running your life. But if you choose manifestation, you take the driver's seat. You create instead of react. It improves mental health, makes you more resilient, and helps you grow even through challenges. It's not about avoiding problems, it's about facing them with the belief that you're capable of overcoming them. Shocking stories of manifestation. Let me give you some real-life examples. Oprah Winfrey has openly said she manifested her career. She always visualized herself on TV long before it happened. Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check in 1985 for acting services rendered. 10 years later, he received exactly $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. People laughed at him, but his belief and persistence manifested the invention that changed the world. And think about your own life. Haven't you ever thought about someone and suddenly they called you? Or wanted something badly, and somehow it came into your life? That's manifestation at work on a small scale. Practical daily routine. So, how do you make manifestation a lifestyle? Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning gratitude. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Visualization. Spend 5 minutes imagining your dream life. Affirmations. Speak out loud, I am worthy, I am abundant, I am loved. Action. Take at least 1 small step toward your goal every day. Evening journal. Write down wins, lessons, and moments of gratitude. If you do this consistently for 30-60 days, your life will begin to change. Conclusion and call to action. So here's the truth. Manifestation is not just some mystical idea. It's a way of living. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you truly want. When you rewire your brain to focus on possibilities instead of problems, when you take action from a place of belief instead of fear, your life begins to shift in ways that feel almost miraculous. Remember, what you focus on grows, so stop focusing on what you lack and start focusing on what you want to create. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content on personal growth and success, and comment below what you're going to start manifesting in your life today. Because the moment you declare it, you're already halfway there.